morning, everybody. Welcome to Sun and Fun 2023. I'm Trevor Mustard. I'm the head of sales and marketing for Diamond Aircraft Canada. I'd like to start out with just a small video, please. All right, as some of you may already be aware of, the Diamond DA50 is the newest aircraft that we've introduced to our modern technology aircraft lineup, utilizing proprietary engine technology. We're a piston engine manufacturer utilizing Jet A fuel for our airplanes. We're very proud of the fact that we're one of the industry's greenest aircraft manufacturers, not only in the fact that we're burning lead-free aircraft fuel, but we're also a very quiet aircraft, very efficient aircraft as well. As you saw in that video, I would like to announce that the DA50, as it nears FAA validation, will be embarking upon a US tour starting in May, and it will, if you go to www.diamondaircraft.com, you'll be able to see the locations and dates where the aircraft will be stopping. Our dealer network will be presenting the aircraft to selected individuals for demonstration and some media coverage. Additionally, this morning we just announced as well our partnership with United Aviate Flight School in Goodyear, Arizona. And they are the proud new owners of 5 DA-42 aircraft that will be accompanying and complementing their training fleet there. I welcome anybody who's interested to stop by our booth. We're at MD 17, and we can show you the entire lineup of the Diamond product. Thank you.